That is true. So what do you think, Ray? What's your thoughts on this? Is it pretty cool?
Mm-hmm. We're not stepping over there.
Alright guys, we will see y'all at the wild. It's pretty cool though. Hold on, Ray.
Good timing, we just finished lunch.
Oh, perfect. Sitting there, come up to see a little bit of snow on it. That's pretty nice.
I'll pass on that most of the time.
Yeah.
Now, but it's pretty cool.
Up?
Yep.
Where?
Go, just straight up the steps.
You can only go on the steps?
Yeah, we can only go up the steps.
I'm not going on.
Stop. No, go up to the top. Go up to the top. We're gonna text Mommy from the top step.
I can't go all the way to the big top step.
And you can't get to the top. They have it closed off.
I'm gonna call Mommy.
Okay.
Don't let him fall through.
She's gonna call. Look at that, guys. You have service, Ray? There's a road down there. There's a parkway.
Where?
Right down there.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's snowing.
Did you get it to call her?
It's calling.
Alright guys. We'll see you after a while. So it's Ray. How was it, girl? How was the hike? A little rough. There's Charlie. He made it with us.
This is his second time having snow.
Yeah.
It's actually snowing.
Yeah.
You can see the white.
I do not know if the camera is doing it justice, okay? We just came from Green Knob Fire Tower. Got back to the parkway, driving, a little bit of rain, then all of a sudden, a little bit of snow. So now, here we are. We figured we'd just ride up to the summit of Mount Mitchell. And boy, is it snowing. And there's a bike rider in front of us. It is amazing. We just came back from Florida last weekend. And here we are in the snow. There's the bikers. High five, guys. Yeah, he's videoing. I thought it was a high five. He made it up. He made it up. Good job, guys. Good job.
Wait, these are all the people we saw earlier.
Alright, here we are. The summit of Mount Mitchell. Parking lot. We're not hiking all the way to the top. We're just going to swing around the parking lot here for you. Then we're going to head on back down. Pick up a few more supplies at the grocery store. We're going to head maybe to Big Ivy Historical Center. I mean, there's a little tower that has been moved and restored there. Flip back up. So we're going to go see if we can find it on the way to the grocery store. And then we'll be heading back toward the campground tonight. It's almost like we drove above the snow clouds.
Yeah.
Doing a lot of construction up here though. We'll see you after a while. Alright guys, so on the way to Big Ivy, down closer to town, we passed through what was the place? Hold on. Krabby Gardens on the parkway. It was having us go all the way down freeway or something, or no, a scenic byway, scenic road. So we saw a dirt road. Was it Stony Fork Road? The gate was open. It's saying it takes us down. We still had about 20 miles the other way. This way we only had 9 miles. So it's got some pretty good little switchbacks. As you can see, just plain old forest road. You know, nothing really to it. But hopefully there'll be no gates at the other side of it, and we'll be able to make it out the bottom. So we'll see you shortly. I'll let you know how it goes. Go for just a little bit here. See the road down there at the bottom. We're gonna go around it. So, yeah, sling it right around here. Yeah, nice little sharp curve here. Yeah. A couple big holes there. Washouts there. Just nice, relaxing, peaceful road. You'll see at the bottom. Maybe. Hey guys, we found the Big Ivy Community Center. We're probably really not gonna get out and walk to this tower, but it has been moved from its original location and restored. We're just gonna pull up here and show it to you. And you see it right there in the corner. Alright guys, so instead of backtracking and going to Black Mountain, we head on through Asheville, got back on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We found a forest road that runs back down along Wash Creek. Gates were open. This is where we are now. Gonna maybe get a late lunch and then throw some steak on the grill later. Oh, there was another gate up higher road. So we'll hang on this road and see if we can find us some nice little campsite. We'll show you what it is once we find it. When you find a road looking for a campsite, you just wonder where it goes. You turn down it and see. Going out to the Avery Creek Road campsite 1, which there's probably going to be somebody out here. Oh, but they do have spots down there, looks like. It looks like it is, yeah. We'll just let them go on. Yeah, probably won't stay here. When you might spot a Bronco.
Oh, we're inside of the tent. This is the view from up here. We're on the Jeep. There's the road. And now I'm gonna give you a tour of the tent. So here we have the heater, shoes, an extra blanket, we have the pillows, we have the stuffy, we have the sleeping bag, that's now a blanket, we have the pocket of a hairbrush, a notebook, flashlight, and a pencil. Then we have all the windows open. And there's the view. There's Daddy.
Yes.
There's Charlie over there just chilling. We got our setup.
Really should invest in a actual rooftop tent. It's a little difficult.
Yes, it was very hard. And back there we have like a very tiny little stream. We could show you guys that later and talk to you later. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of the morning. And these are...
Day 3, we're going home today.
Oh yeah, day 3. Day 3 morning. Last night was actually not so bad at all. How was it for you, Charlie? I feel like that's a good. Well, now these are corn muffin balls, and I'm gonna put the caramel M&Ms in them. I'm gonna set you up here. They can see. Okay, now I have to re-ball them. Daddy's cooking steak and bacon for breakfast. We're gonna have some egg, and he's gonna have some French toast.
Bike riders just went by.
Daddy, look, it looks like an egg almost.
Oh yeah. Cool. Cool work. Talk to you guys. Cheers.
Charlie. Daddy, they're ready to be cooked when you're ready.
All right, girl.
And
so we're having bacon, as you see, steak, potatoes, M&M corn balls,
corn muffin, CNC rolls.
corn muffin CNC rolls.
Or
So you might wonder what we're doing here. We got to get a little bit of bacon grease on the bottom so they don't stick. It's a little dry right here at this spot.
Careful, Daddy. Can you push that green one in the second one you put? So it'll fall out. There we go. The caramel was frozen inside them. So,
Don't mind the dog behind us. He's going crazy. His breakfast time will be in a second.
Yeah. We have the potatoes.
So we're gonna try caramel French toast. You good with the potatoes? Good with the potatoes? It's a little colder. I think the weatherman got it wrong.
What did he say it was going to be?
Like 70 something.
And it's almost like 30.
Yeah. We packed shorts and tank tops.
I'm in my pajamas. Because,
Hey, but we had a blast.
yes, it was amazing. Charlie, be quiet. Here you go. Well, we'll talk to you guys later.
Name?
Frying pan tower.
It is 70 foot tall, the tallest fire tower in the state of North Carolina. We are near Brevard right now, off of Forest Road 477.
We had this nice little hidden spot.
And we are only about, I think it's 10 miles from the fire tower. We'll see you later, guys.
And there's like a little creek down there, and we'll go show you guys that later. Bye. Well, they're done. The steak's done. The bacon's done. The potatoes are almost done. There's 2 more pieces of bacon that need to be cooked. Let's go send his peppers. Charlie has already had a pepper. So I'm gonna try one. Hey. What color should I try?
Brown.
You sure?
Whatever color you want.
I'm good with yellow. Okay, Daddy, I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot. But if you look closely, you can see the color that the M&M is around it because it melted. A few of them cracked. This blue one will be easy to eat. It's looking good. I'm gonna let them cool off. Talk to you later. Bye. So they've cooled off, and I'm going to try it. What color? Wow, that is amazing. It's just those are a little, I don't know what you want to call, but gooey still. I have no clue what Daddy's cooking.
French toast.
And I guess it's called caramel French toast. He used the caramel creamer for milk. Other than caramel creamer, we have strawberry milk. So yeah,
Caramel was a better choice.
Yeah, I don't think you want a strawberry French toast. So breakfast is ready. We're just cooking one more piece of French toast, and I just took the M&M out of the corn muffin, and look, it's gone. The chocolate is gone. Well, not really the chocolate, but some of it's gone. I wonder if it's good. Just right. Talk to you after breakfast. Bye. So, we're going to go show you the river. Here, it's a very small but nice creek.
You see it runs down through there.
It goes. And there's a teddy bear over there. The poor teddy bear. It's right there. It's a sad little thing. It says love y'all. Why'd they put the poor teddy bear up there? I'll never know.
Just heading up for Forest Road 477 to Highway 276 up on the parkway. I'm gonna go slow here. I don't know if you can see that rock face over there. Not exactly sure which mountain that is, but that's pretty amazing right there. We'll just show a little footage of this road, just like a regular old forest road. We've just been driving up it. We saw a couple bikers already. Been a lot of those. Last night, I mean, the road was, I think 2 cars went by after we made camp. Nothing too bad as far as the roads. Nice drives. Passed several little hiking trails that hike up across through here. Couple little side
campsite up here.
Yeah.
Far.
We've only found one other campsite, so I'm really glad we stopped where we did. Because we're almost up to the road. And then from there, oh, a little more water. we will hit the parkway and we're gonna head on up to the tower. We'll see y'all guys in a little while. Got a little while to go up the road still. Charlie's, well, he was taking a nap already.
Well, there he is.
There's another little trail. Probably could have went, but couldn't have got the truck down to that one. Here's just a little waterfall. Very nice just to get out, get away from the city, enjoy everything. Very nice out here, just riding around. All right, we'll get back to you. We'll come back if we see anything important. There's the rock face that we saw before. I'm not sure what mountain, but look at this, guys. We're like on the top of the world. And it still goes up beside us. You gonna walk down this way? Oh, here, maybe this will tell us what rock face is. See the sign? Okay. Don't want to fall down there.
Oh, yeah, right here. Where's
Looking Glass Rock.
Oh, look at this lizard. Oh, that's really
That's
pretty.
the waterfall. That's the one I used to go play in.
Looking Glass.
Yeah, it's on the road that we're just on.
Really? Can we go back?
We'll see how we go home. All right, let's walk this way. Come on this side.
Right there's a good picture of a Jeep.
I know, that's why I'm going to come this way. It's like we're going off into the world.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's get back in.
We're off, guys, to find the tower.
Frying Pan Tower.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Oh, I see an ear. Ears. I see ears. Dad, I see ears.
Oh, let's roll.
Oh, teacher. Talk to you guys at Frying Pan Tower.
Let's see,
Bye.
well, yeah, there's a car, if you can see it, coming up around that road down there in the bottom. And that's where we just were. There's one going up the road way over there where the tower is. That's the parkway. We're gonna head that way. Tower's that direction.
Don't shut the door yet.
See you guys soon. So, pulled over to look out on our way, and what do we see up there? I thought that was it that we were seeing from the other mountain. I'll show you in that. There it is. We're about to go ahead and find the parking spot and hike up to that one. All right, guys, here we are. Tower's up top. This is the view from the parkway. It's a little service road that goes up to the tower. There's the tower up there. Here's the road. There's Ray getting the dog. We're gonna head on up. You can see it right here. Let's lock the doors. Get it locked up. All right. Good view there. I'm not really sure where that one goes. I know the road goes to the tower. So it's just an easy little hike up. We'll get around this curve, and then next time we see you, we'll be up top. Oh yeah.
This way?
Yep, right up the road. So there you go, nice little hike. Guys, we made it. Highest tower. Fire tower in North Carolina. It's our lucky day. It's open. So we're inside. Too bad we didn't bring us a sticker. Would have put us a sticker up here. What do you think, Ray? Do a walk around? People wrote everything. Everybody, imagine living up here looking for fire. Doesn't get any better than that, does it, guys? Literally on the top of the world. We'll do a walk around. Stop. Go back around. Don't look down, right? That's the Blue Ridge Parkway that you see. That is true. So what do you think, Ray? What's your thoughts on this? Is it pretty cool?
I'm not stepping over there.
Alright guys, we will see y'all after a while. Okay? Y'all be good. I think on the way home we're gonna swing back and take Yellow Gap Road. Beautiful day. Hell, no snow at this one. No snow at this one. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Recording.
So I'm on his back, probably down there.
Oh, in my face.
We already been up. We're going down. I can't really see where we're going. I can see now.
Yeah. They say piggyback rides are fun. For who? The 8-year-old?
It's fun for the 8-year-old.
Or the dad?
Or the 40-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like that was enough piggyback riding. How was it?
Very exhilarating.
Was it a workout?
Feel alive.
Was it a workout?
Every day's a workout when you're 40. Ready to go. We didn't see any snow at this one.
Nope. I think we almost at the car.
Here we are. We came back down 276. We're gonna head down. I think it's 1206 Forest Road or Yellow Gap Road. So we'll just see what's going on down this road. We're heading home. We'll come back if we see anything interesting.
Bye.
Yeah, guys. Who says you can't take trailers up dirt roads? Pull that big camper down in here too.
Where's
Oh,
trailer?
wait a minute, wait a minute. Did I miss a guy? Did they miss a guy? Oh. Guy's just running there. Maybe he's going to catch his horse trailer. Who knows? Alright. Thought that'd be cool to see. Never really expecting that down a little one-lane road. It wants us to go. Huh.
Bear left.
Well, we can't. It's dead end. So this is a dead end. What does all of that mean? Pretty sure.
Why is it?
Route recalculation.
Is that a horse stables?
Yeah.
Like, Daddy, tree.
I don't think we can get through.
Make a U-turn where possible.
We'll just go check out this horse camp while we're here. Yeah, roll on your window, you got it. Reserved for campers only.
The horse camp. Daddy, that guy over there waved to me.
You?
horsey, 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 horsey.
That's what all these rings are, for you to put your horses up.
Because you have to connect them to something.
Yep.
I know a lot about horses. Horsey, 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 horsey.
And right here's the sun, maybe. Yeah. Just talking about it. Well, so Yellow Gap Road is gated at the other end. That's what happens when you just pick roads. Let's see.
Horses.
Yep. So we'll head down South Mills River Road. It says it's a dead end. Maybe we can take us to the river. We'll just have lunch and then head out. We'll see you guys shortly. Like the rest of the guys say, when you find a dead end, what do you find? A spot for lunch. So here we are. All of our roads, we've been down 2 roads, led to dead ends. There was 2 more at the end of this that led to a dead end. So here we are. You just come back, the grill out, some hot dogs cooking, a little water, get cleaned up, change clothes. Now we're heading home. See you guys. Already sizzling.